Okay, today we will review a website that is in top of Google search. And I'm searching clothing Hamilton. Then this website is in top of Google search page. Let's see the website. This is the website. This is looking very nice website. All thing is okay and very nice. So let's click few menus and see when the page is still loading and finish the loading. Then I'm seeing a back to top button here. Back to top button usually appear when we will scroll few bottom, then it is appear usually. But here after the page load, I'm seeing this. When I'm clicking this, it is taking me down here. But you see there is no back to top button here now, but after the page load there was a back to top button. This button will appear here after previous scroll. Let's see, like this is fine. Okay, but after the page load it is visible here, which I think need to fix. And then let's select, and it is nice. This is showing and mouse over, then it's changing the images. Nice slider for images. Let's see, we are selecting or choosing any days from here. Let's see, I am choosing a days here and I am saying. But suddenly if I go to here and click in this card button, then you see that page will going to the top. It is taking me to the top of the page. Here the close button is outside of this box, white box. They can keep the close button in here in this corner, a black or this color close button, but it is looking outside and not looking so good, I think. uh, so we was in here choosing a days these days, but after clicking on the card button, the page is taking me to the top. I think this is not looking, this is a problem, I think. Then I again need to scroll in the bottom to choose that specific dress I was choosing. Okay, so this, let's see how this website is looking in responsive mobile device. Then we will select a mobile device like this, and then refresh the page again and see this is mobile look of this website. So I think everything is okay. Let's open any menu from here. Okay, nice menu opening. Let's open the drop down menu. Okay, this is nice drop down menu and nice menu structure. Opening mega menu type structure, nice. But the close button here not looking, not much visible. So they can keep the close button inside here, or if they want to keep here, then they can use a background color for the close button area only to look nicer. This close button. Okay, then if I click on the filter by, then you see it is opening the filters they have. But what I'm saying, there's, you see a glitch while opening and closing the filter button, and then it is closing. You see, not smooth. Just opening state and close state, you see. The JavaScript function is adding a padding here, so this menu is going to top while in open. You see, it is going little bit top and then it will be down, and this top and down going, and this top going to the top is happening suddenly without any transition also. So when the menus are filter by options are in open state, this main menu like size, favorite color is getting an space, and then when in close, then it will getting another space. So this must be stay on the same place without any glitch. It does not looking so smooth. Also, this entire area is not clickable. So when I'm clicking here, it is not opening, or when I'm clicking here, it is not opening. Let's see how thin area it is only openable for this thin area. Only this thin area is clickable, not the entire block. So they can keep clickable the entire block. So how they can do this? Let's check the padding of this website. We need to check its padding. This is the padding they use before the button, so they can make the button entire button clickable. Like we will make this, let's see, padding 0 here, and then we will give the padding to here. Now you will see the entire area is clickable. Now they need to fix the icon only, its position. This is not much more bigger deal actually. Just can keep alien to the bottom. Now this center alien to the bottom. So now this entire area is clickable. You see, this entire area is clickable for this and for this, and they can fix few CSS issue like this close button and the glitch while opening the menu structure, menu filter items. This will make this website much more professional. Okay, nice. Everything is looking so nice. Here is the back to top button. Nice, but Let's see, I am not seeing back to top button in home page. You see there is no back to top button, but in mobile device you need to scroll more because of small screen, but I'm not seeing back to top button here. The social icon don't have any hover effect, or there is no hover effect for the images in bottom. You see this menu is opening nicely without any glitch, but the filter menu is opening with a glitch. Let's send a few images to see there is something that is increasing or decreasing this height. You see it is increasing and decreasing the height, and we are changing the carousel images. Here you can see, so if we go to the bottom of the page, this is the bottom of the website. Now if we click on the menu, then you see the page is loaded to the top. So we are something in the website. Now if we click on the menu, then the page is jumping to the top. Same when we will click on the card button, the page is jumping to the top. You see the card, the close button for the card is not looking so nice. Anyway, so the page is jumping to the top. I think it is an issue. So let's see, we are selecting few products. Now I need to check my cart. So if I click on the shopping cart, then you see the page is loaded to the top. So I think they need to fix it.